Hello everybody, welcome to We Are Geek. Today we're going to do a short unboxing of a mystery box that I picked up from Dark Phoenix Comics. I look forward to seeing what's inside, so let's do it together. Here we go. Alright, first of all, some of you might be wondering, well, how did it get to me? Came here in a nice priority mail box. Inside the box was some padding. Inside the padding was a very solid box here, and it was completely wrapped in bubble wrap with some nice masking tape. So everything was super secure. So really nice job they do packing up these boxes. Now inside the box is supposed to be 20 comics, and there's supposed to be a variety of variant covers, and there's supposed to be at least one store exclusive in here. Dark Phoenix Comics is an online, possibly a ground store as well, but they sell exclusive covers, different variants, and then they also have a whole bunch of other services that they offer as well. So I'm excited to see. This was $40. The shipping was amazing. It was only $6 to get this much shipped to me, which was a great deal. So we're gonna open this up and I'll show you each thing we find. They specialize in Marvel, DC, and any sort of indie comics, so I don't exactly know what I'm gonna see in here. We've got a couple stickers off the top. I like stickers, yay! Inside the box, they are wrapped again. They did everything they possibly could to make sure that these comics would be safe. And they are in masking tape as well. So masking tape's a good idea when you're shipping comics because it's less likely to tear something and it's easy to pull off. And you want to make sure your comics are shipped as safely as possible. So here we go. Inside the bag, I see the comics. All right, here we go. Number 1, Venom number 30 variant edition. Ooh, that's cool. I like that a lot. Star Wars High Republic Adventure number 1. Batman 101. Variant cover I have not seen before. Like that. Batman 105. Another variant cover. Aquaman 65. That's a nice cover. Ooh, I like these Venom ones. Venom number 31, variant edition. There's Null. He looks great. Well, that's different. Venom number 26, on sale Wednesday. What a strange cover. Web of Venom, Wrath number 1. Nice. Wolverine Black, White, and Blood number 1. I like how we have a good selection of Marvel here and DC, and I like both. Ooh, Marvel Zombies Resurrection. There's Peter Parker in a bit of trouble. Power Rangers Ninja Turtles. Looks like a Virgin comic, which means that there's no words on the cover. Ninja Turtles, Power Rangers, Kevin Eastman cover, the creator of the Ninja Turtles. Justice League Dark number 26. Iron Man number 1, variant edition. Ghost Rider number 1 variant. It looks like they're all variants at this point, which is fun because I like variants. Guardians of the Galaxy, variant edition number 5. Diamond Retailer Summit Las Vegas 2019. That one looks to be a bit more on the rare side. Deceased Unkillables number 2. Empire number 1. Thor and Annihilus. Crossover number 1. That's a great title if anybody hasn't read it. By Donny Cates. Cable number 2, Marvel Zombies variant. Here we go, an Image title. Bitterroot number 8, based on the old album cover. Batman 3 Jokers, book 1. And the last one we've got here, another, looks like another Virgin variant by Kincaid. That's a pretty Wonder Woman right there. So I will have to figure out which one here is the exclusive covers. I'm gonna guess it's one of the Virgin variants, but I will find out by searching their website. Overall, this is a lot of cool comic. And for $46 total, that's a pretty good price. My goal is always to try to make back that money by selling a couple things and hopefully be able to keep some of the rest, which is a good way to pay for your hobby as you go. Thank you for watching us at We Are Geek. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.